Hi, Claudia here. I'm back with my envelope to a journal, and today I promise we're gonna finish because I have everything ready. So, and when I finish, I will give you a flip through. So, how are you doing? How was your week? Was good? And this is my journaling page. This one goes here. I try to have everything ready instead to pick it up while I'm doing my video. And let's see if this way will work better. To make it fun and shorter, right? Have you done anything new? Let's see. Sorry if my head is on your way. I'm trying to peel this one out. No, I wanna, oh, okay, you stay there. This one goes here, and this one, we can put it here, maybe. Or maybe we don't need the flower there. Okay, so let's do the other side. Like I said, I like those paper because they are so thin. My journal doesn't get too bulky. If it gets too bulky, I just gonna add a couple of magnets to make sure. Oops, no, Claudia, you were doing this first. And then this one on top. Oops, where are you going? Are you getting ready for Thanksgiving? Lord. Okay. I'm gonna put it here. We are going to have an early Thanksgiving dinner because My kids are gonna be here, and they're gonna be here before Thanksgiving. But we're gonna have our own Thanksgiving dinner. You know, we love to have people here to see the kids, so if we have to have an early one, we will have an early one. And like every year, usually Christmas and Thanksgivings, we have the dinner together because we do FaceTime. And it's nice. It's nice. It's a different way, but I'm so glad that we can do it. So this one, it says dare to fail. You know, if you don't fail, you will never succeed. Because every time you fail, you learn something that you should do it different. And oops, no. And this one says, just keep going. I know that butterfly looks so big, but it's so cute. It's beautiful. So should I put it this way? No. I have to have some kind of disorder that I cannot see the thing. They are not straight. I'm suffering. If it's a straight line, I have to see a straight. The butterfly is a different story because they fly all over. And those pages are big enough to put pictures, especially if you can make it smaller. I love to do that because that way I can put more pictures. You have no idea how many pictures do I have. And you will be scared to know. Oh, let me see. This, I put it here. I don't want to use the same one. Okay. Let's use this one. this one says, be constantly curious. So this one is for writing, and oh, we're gonna put this one here that it matches very well the background. And let's see what this says. Chase the sun. I rather to chase the moon because the sun has to be very hot. Okay. So it's done. Let's see if we close. If not, we add. Oh yes, I get that. So let's do a flip through. We have here the big tag. And here is our journal. And here it is. We have tag, we have journaling space, we have a belly band, journaling space. Oops, look at this. Let's put it there right now, very fast. Let's give some you see, good that I did my flip through with you. Okay. Ah, really, Claudia? I thought I finished, but obviously I didn't. But that's okay. It says thinking of you. Okay. So here we have it. Maybe we should put it there. Let's put it there because I take it out to put it there. And now I feel bad that I want to leave it out. Okay. Writing space. Okay, so let's put some glue here because I just noticed that it was sticking out. Okay, so here it is. It's finished and it's ready to go home. I hope she likes it. I hope you like it. I hope you make one. If you make it, share with the hashtag that is in the description box. And see you next week. Okay? Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.